With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, so let's read the question. Xylem channels of the rootlets maintain a lower water potential due to, okay, so they are saying that the xylem channels of the rootlets, that are the smaller roots, okay, they basically maintain a lower water potential due to what? Option A, maintenance of high salt content. Option B, presence of negative pressure or water tension. Option C, both A and B, and option D, occurrence of positive pressure. Okay, so when we talk about the maintenance of a high salt content, okay, so maintenance of high salt content, it means the solute concentration is comparatively higher. Okay, so the solute concentration is comparatively higher. Then what will happen? Automatically the concentration of solvent will be low. It means the water potential here will be low. Okay, so yes, this is a thing which helps in maintaining a lower water potential in root, and because of that we know that in soil there is higher water potential. Okay, there is higher psi, and because of that water moves from a higher to a lower water potential, that is into the roots. Okay, so yes, this is the correct one. Let's move on to the other option, that is presence of a negative pressure or water tension. Okay, so if there is presence of a negative pressure or a water tension, okay, that will not help in maintaining the lower water potential. Because of that, there are chances that it will help in maintaining a higher water potential. Okay, higher water potential can be maintained. If B is incorrect, it means C is also incorrect, and occurrence of a positive pressure will not help in maintaining a lower water potential, so this is incorrect. It means option A is the correct option here. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.